This is Tattooed Granny, and we are about to have a gourmet 5-course meal with wine. Watch out. And all of the courses feature morel mushrooms. The name of the restaurant? Morel, of course. Join me. Time to eat some morels at Morel Restaurant. Private Morel dinner, baby. We're about to eat delicious morel mushrooms, 5 courses with wine. I'll put a still in here. Let's see, what are we having? Morel mushroom fricassee polenta. Yum. Rabbit and morel terrine. Okay. Ramp ravioli, 𝐷𝐔𝐍𝐓𝐈���𝐆 morel, ricotta, lemon, sage, brown butter. Walleye and asparagus with morels. New York strip and morels. And a chocolate tart, chocolate my heart. Yummo. I'm about to enjoy the first wine from Sardinia. I'm used to the reds, Canada. Let's see how good this one tastes. Light, refreshing, grapefruity. Waiting on some polenta with morel. Course number 1. Morel mushrooms, polenta, chives. And it goes with the white Sardinian wine. Yummy, yummy. Delicious polenta. Wish you all were here. Course number 2, rabbit terrine. Yeah. And we've got a Sicilian wine. This looks beautiful. Number 2. Okay, the rabbit terrine with the little pickled morels, amazeballs. The wine from Sicily, really unctuous, smooth, oily, beautiful compliment. And here we have our third wine, a Chablis from France, from Burgundy, France. And let's see what our course is going to be. Ramp ravioli. Ramps are these wild, leafy onion things that I grow in my yard that you shouldn't take out of anything but private land with permission because they're very slow growing. Anyway, let's try the wine, shall we? I am lit up like a firecracker, people. This is delicious. Start again. My dining companion, Polish Greg. Chin chin.
So we are on to the prelude that we took ramp leaves, blanched them, dried them out really good, pureed them, dried it out again, and then we used that to make the pasta. And then it's house-made ricotta, morel mushroom filling. And then morels on top. And when we were cleaning the mushrooms, we took the stems off. And
Oh my goodness. There's these ravioli and they're like, there's some beet puree and I'm gonna try and eat this for you. in one bite. Creamy ricotta is delicious. I'm on my third or fourth glass of wine. I honestly don't know. Oh, you gotta come to this restaurant. It's farm to table. It's to die for. Morel. Okay, y'all. The ramp pasta was to die for. My favorite, hands down. And we still got 2 more courses to go. We got a fish course, walleye, and Morels. And we got New York strip yet. And then chocolate tart. Chocolate tart for dessert. Tattooed grannies having a good time. And this is Greco di Tufo, an Italian wine number 4. I would say I'm somewhat buzzed. All the wines have been delicious. We are getting walleye with Morels for this next course. And I am feeling no pain. This is the most robust and strongest wine so far. It's delicious. It has that unctuous, oily, grapefruity taste. I'm so happy. Greco di Tufo from the boot of Italy, the wine person said. And strong, oily, grapefruity deliciousness. Let's try it. Really smooth, really good. We're waiting on our walleye. Here's our walleye. It's got stinging nettles, asparagus, fiddleheads. It is spring on a plate, baby, to go with this yummy Italian wine. I may be drunk, but I'm happy and I know good food. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, it smells amazing. The Italian wine is amazing. Let's try some walleye. Wine number 4. Perfect with the lightness of the fish. What we have here is fiddleheads, asparagus, stinging nettle, and walleye. Delicious. And of course, more Italian wine. Superb. And our final wine of the evening is the Reserve Red. I can't read it. Super delicious. We are expecting a New York strip steak, creme fraiche, beef au jus, spinach, and morels with this Villa Roma Reserve Roja. I can't really read the year because my granny eyes are too old. I'm guessing it's 2015 and it's from Spain. España. This is a fabulous New York strip steak. Creme fraiche, tempura batter fried morels. This looks amazing. Amazing. This looks fantastic, people. 5 courses, 5 wine. Perfectly seasoned steak, crispy tempura batter fried morels.
So good.
The steak is melting in my mouth. And the wine is perfect. Oh man, this is good. Hey, we got a chocolate tart with some rhubarb. It looks amazing. This ends our fabulous Morel dinner at Morel Restaurant. I am super happy. I'm coming down off my buzz and I'm about to have some sugar. Our fabulous Morel dinner has ended. The dessert was delicious. Chocolate, rhubarb, strawberries, a yummy tart. I'm full and full of wine and feeling fine. And join me next time. Summer shrooms are just around the corner. We'll teach you about chanterelles, black trumpets. Later in the summer, lobsters and sweet tooths. And in the serious fall, it's bear's comb and hen of the woods.